oatmeal, milk and honey. I've got honey already in some of my oil. I've got some coconut milk that I'm going to add, and I'm going to add some oats on the top of the soap. And also it's going to be in my soap. I have some colloidal oatmeal and my kaolin clay. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Yeah, I'm going to add my melted hard butters and my liquid oils. I'll scrape that down. I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to give this a scrape down. Okay, I'm going to give this a mix. Right, I'm going to go ahead and add my cream in. Alright y'all, so I'm going to attempt to remove the bubble wrap. I'm going to see where it's at, and I have to pull it off really slowly. I'm going to go in, like I said, I'll pull slowly. You see the indentions that it's made in the top of my soap. It looks like a honeycomb on top. Pull on this soap is I got this little piece right here. Okay, so what I do on this soap is I don't pipe this soap, okay? All I do is I simply dollop down one side. Sometimes I go down the middle, but I've got where I like going down one side of the soap. And I dollop the cream color. So I'm just going to take my spoon and place little dollops all the way down the side of the soap. Sometimes I don't want to come off of there. And I'm not really going to do anything to it but leave the dollops on there. I said I don't want to come off. It's to stay stuck on there. And then what I do is I go in with a little bit of glycerin, clear glycerin melting pour, and I drizzle that melting pour and a little bit of gold mica over the top of the soap. Alright, so there we have this part, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and take my rubbing alcohol and I'll spray down the tops of this soap. I'm going to mix my 24 karat gold mica up with my little frother. Alright, there that is. I'm going to take some old-fashioned 100% oats and I'm going to put them on my dollops there. Can y'all see that? I hope you can. Hope it's not too dark. Now these are for decorations. I have some actual oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal in the soap. It's ground, so, and it's very soothing to the skin. Go ahead and pour our honey over the top of that. And our fake honey. I'm just going to go down through here and pour it on. I don't want to get too much at one time. And I like to do it with, it's kind of getting too cold too, so let me heat this up just a little. Okay, that's much better. And I think I might just go down through here with a spoon and drizzle it with a spoon and see how that comes out. I think I like that better. I'll be cutting this tomorrow, but I'll bring you back at the end of this video to show you everything. Go back with my 24 karat gold mica drizzle. This is my sweet almond oil and some mica that I've got, and I'm just going to drizzle a little gold on the top to give it a little touch of that. We are done with this one. We will be back tomorrow for the cutting video. Okay everybody, it's day 2. We're about to slice our oatmeal milk and honey soap. I did change our colors up a little bit from what I normally color the oatmeal milk and honey. I normally have them more solid with a little bit of white creamy swirl going through it. I wanted to try something different. I may go back to my original way. Everything else is still the same, all the recipe and everything. It's just the way I did the swirling technique. I don't know what y'all think and what your opinion is. I'll put a bar of my other up here. But I think, my original way better. I'm slicing it on its side so that it doesn't have any drag marks in it. I like it like this also, but I don't know which way I like the best. It's gonna be hard for me to decide. All right, guys, I'm going to speed up the video and we will see how the oatmeal milk and honey came out. Guys, this is the In the Pot Swirl Oatmeal Milk and Honey Soap. There's the top with a little dollop of cream, and my honeycomb. This actually has milk in it, it actually has honey in it, and it actually has oatmeal in it. So this is a oatmeal milk and honey soap. We have oatmeal sprinkles on the top as well as oatmeal inside the soap. I do like the In the Pot Swirl. I don't know if I like the color so much as what I'm used to, but y'all give me some opinions if you like this color for oatmeal milk and honey, and what's your thoughts. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.